Here's your downsizing pro tip of the day. When I help organize people, you can't believe how many of them have stacks of mail on their kitchen counter, on their dining room table, sitting in their living room that they just don't take care of. So when you get your mail on any given day, sort things out. Things that are invoices or statements that you're going to have to do something with, put those in one spot, put them wherever your desk is. If you've got coupons that you want to use, put them in your purse, put them in your wallet, put them in your car, someplace where you're actually going to have them when you want to use them. If there's magazines or catalogs or little newspapers you want to read, take those, put them next to where you sit in the living room or put them in the bathroom, whatever. And if you haven't read them in 3 days, toss them. And the rest of this stuff, as you're going through it, just look at it. And if it's not something you want, just put it in the trash right away so you don't have to deal with it later. Stop piling it up. Just like a lot of people hold on to their regular snail mail that they get, a lot of people hold on to emails a whole lot longer than they should. So here's a tip so you don't end up bogged down with so much stuff. When you open up your emails, go through them. And first thing you do is check on everything that you don't want to be bothered with. Just go and click on all of it. Things that you just don't even want to look at. And send them right to the trash. Then start to look at the other things that you do want to have to deal with. But if you get rid of the trash, it's easier to find the emails that you actually need to bother with. The other thing is open up your spam every day, and whatever's in there, dump it. Otherwise, somebody tells you they sent you an email and you can't find it and you go to your spam, you're having to go through all those different spams. So clean this stuff out on a regular basis. And I know you still get things that you just have to deal with from time to time. I do too. So I usually sit down about every other Sunday morning and sit and click on everything and deal with everything I need to deal with so it's not sitting there waiting for me.